Hi, I'm Zoe Jakes, and in this workshop, we are going to learn old school movements from my format, DanceCraft. Studying this dance style will give you the tools to become a well-rounded dancer. We will be doing movements with plenty of footwork, different kinds of turns, combined hip work and foot patterns, and different types of isolations, such as 1 and 6, sit-toe-toe, twist step, and tuck-seam dip turn. I feel that the one way we can honor our teachers and those who came before us is to learn the way they danced. I had the honor of studying with Jamila Salimpour, John Compton, Jill Parker, Zafira Dance Company, and Katarina Burda, as well as many others of our dance lineage, and was lucky enough to get the information firsthand from these esteemed teachers. The old school movements are my interpretation of their dance movements and styles. These moves are juicy, powerful, strong, and timeless.